Impact weather for us as we go into this evening with a sharp front arriving. Out ahead of that this afternoon and into this evening, some periods of rain and the possibility of a couple of rumbles of thunder as well. Along the front itself later tonight, there could be a couple of wind gusts over 40 miles an hour. That front moving through somewhere between 7:30 and 10 p.m. Behind that, there could be a brief period of snow before skies clear after midnight. Some slower travel is expected later on this evening, and there could be a few scattered outages. It is behind this system that the winds pick up again, but this time out of a northwesterly direction starting tomorrow, and that will gust at times over 40 miles an hour. A wind advisory is posted for that. So here's a look at it on Futurecast. Here's a look at your evening commute with the front poised to our west. Again, that swings through somewhere between 7:30 and 10 p.m. After it goes by, a brief period of snow is a possibility, and then skies clear and temperatures fall off. We could have a 30-degree drop in temperature in just 3 to 4 hours out of this system, going from the 50s back into the 20s to lower 30s. And wind chills to start the day tomorrow will likely be in the single digits above and below zero. Windy day for us on Thursday, a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Temps in the 20s to lower 30s, but feeling more like the single digits and teens. And then we will be looking at milder temperatures after a chilly start on Friday. We get back into the 40s for the afternoon, 40s to lower 50s for both days over the weekend. We may contend with a few showers on Saturday and then partly sunny skies on Sunday. Here's a look at the winds, which are all out of the south through the day today. Some gusts over 30 miles an hour this afternoon. That will be heightened with the front coming through. And then as the winds switch back to the northwest for the daylight hours tomorrow, we'll have the potential for some gusts over 40 miles an hour with a few additional scattered outages, down to just a breeze for the day on Friday. Here's a look at the wind chills, which again for this evening, it'll still feel like 50s with the milder air despite the rain, but you will notice as we get toward daybreak tomorrow, it is single digits above and below zero, just about a 50-degree difference in what it feels like outside from later on this evening through early tomorrow morning. Back to the milder air heading into the weekend with partial sunshine expected.